So now you've learned how to use the different articulations in your music, you've worked on dynamics, you've worked on all kinds of crazy stuff, your sound, your embouchure, all the things that make good saxophone playing. Let's learn some more notes so that we can play more songs, shall we? We're going to learn the whole C major scale. This is good because many songs are based on major scales. If you know your major scales really well, you can play just about any song that's out there. So what I'm going to do is teach you the scale, very slowly. Most of the notes you already know, so we just have to learn a few more notes. We'll review the old notes and we'll get to the new notes so you know what's going on. So first, we'll start with our C. We're going to play a C major scale. We start on C. And we will ascend, going up. Ascending means going up to D. We know our D. And then E. And then F. And then G. So those are our first 5 notes. Reviewing again, C, D, E, F, G. Now our new notes, we've got a couple more new notes. A, that's lifting up that third finger where the G was, and it becomes A. So that third finger in the left hand goes up. And now it's A. Got it? Next note. B. That's lifting up the middle finger. Very logical. Saxophone is a very logical instrument. It's very much based on the pattern of the pitches going lower or higher. So that's one higher. And then the final note, you already know it. It's C, but the difference is on this C, we keep the octave key down. So it makes the C an octave higher. That's why they call it an octave key. It's an octave higher. That's a full octave higher, but sounds like a low C. It's just higher, an octave higher. I'll play those 2 notes so you can hear the difference briefly. So I went from the low C, or the middle C, to the high C by pressing the octave key. Now let's play this scale very slowly, out of tempo first, and then we'll go into tempo. Okay, 1 note at a time. I'll just cue each note by putting my saxophone down as a downbeat. Now I think you've got all those notes. Let's review the new notes again. High A with the octave key down, B, and then the high C. So those are all your notes, your new notes. Let's play the whole scale with half notes. 1, 2, ready, play. Now let's start on that top note and go back down, continuing with half notes. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Now once with quarter notes. And let's get our tongue in there too to practice our articulation. Let's do it with staccato tonguing. Quarter notes with staccato. So we're going to separate the notes. 1, 2, ready, play. So there you have it. That's the scale staccato, the whole scale, up and down. If you can do that, there's so many songs you can figure out and play. I'm going to play it once really fast for you. I'm going to play it slurred so I can play it faster so I don't get my tongue in the way. Here it goes. So if you can get it that fast, you're doing pretty well. But try to get it a little bit slower than that at first, correct. Now, I'd like to play a little song that uses all those notes for the scale. This is a song I'm sure you'll recognize, and so here it goes. So see what songs you can figure out using the notes from that scale.